So in this session we are going to see how we are going to use the read CSV function to import the CSV file, right? So you must be curious about what CSV file looks like. I have already told you that if you see a CSV file, you will see a CSV comma separated value file is a text file that has a specific format which allows data to be saved in a structure format, right? So it looks something like this. If you see an image of the CSV file, it is something similar like the Excel, right? So here are columns, there are so many rows. Okay, I hope you understand what is CSV file. And now if you see, I have a CSV file in which there is a one column, that is views. I have collected the last month views of my YouTube videos. On the first day, around 10 people view my video. On the second day, around 50 people. On the third day, 45 people. On the fourth day, 125 people. Similarly, right? So if I want to import this file, we need to do pd.read CSV and we need to put the file name. If you see, the file name is viewsgan. Okay, viewsgan. So viewsgans, I think I'm right. If you put this and viewsgan.csv and if you enter, you will see this data. But if you want to know which type of data it is, you need to pass this into this function. You will see this is a data frame. In the first lecture, I have already explained you what is data frame and what is series. If you go and here, series is a single array, single column of a single column which is look like an array, and a data frame is a combination of more than one series, right? But I want to make this a series. It means by default read CSV give you a data frame, right? But if you want to convert this, explicitly convert this into series, you need to just put minor modification here, SQU double EGE squeeze is equal to true. When you hit, now this entire data frame is converted into series. You can check here with the help of type function. Now you see this is series. I hope you clear. It means by default read CSV return the data frame, and if you want to convert that data frame into series, you are going to put this squeeze is equal to true, right? Import a file, a CSV file in which there is a more than one column, right? Let me give you an example like this. Messi is a footballer. I hope everyone knows him. In the season are one column season and the another column is number of goal. Okay. In the season wise, the number of goal scored by Lionel Messi is given here, right? This is the data set is given here, and if you want to explicitly told that now pd.read CSV and you want to import this data frame, I think here it is Messi goals.csv. Okay, so in to put Messi goals.csv. Okay, and explicitly you are going to told that index column is equal to season, right? Index column is equal to season. right? And when you hit, you will see this data frame. If you want to check this, you can do, you need to pass this into type function, and you will see this is a data frame. But I've already explained you how we are going to convert this data frame into a series. You simply put squeeze SQU double E Z A, okay, is equal to true. Now it is, if you want to check this, you can check. Now it is series, right? So I hope you cleared about how we are going to change the data frame into a series, right? By putting this squeeze in this first thing. First, we have only one column, okay, so I put this inside, and on the first day the number of views, on the second day number of views, on the third day's number of views, right now, okay. But and in this data set, we have collected that on a season basis the number of goal is scored by Lionel Messi, right? I hope you are clear with all this, how we are importing the CSV file into the notebook, Jupyter notebook, right? And how we are going to explicitly told Pandas that I want an index column the season. Let's suppose if you have more than one column in a data frame. Let's suppose we have 11 column in our data frame, then you are not going to convert that data frame into series, right? Because series has, I've already explained you, series is what? It is a one dimensional array holding data of any type. So for this reason, I explicitly put the index column as a season. We have number of column here is one season and the other is goal. If I don't put index column is equal to season, it is not able to convert this into a series, right? So for converting series, you must have only one column, right? I hope you clear the fact. In the next lecture, we are going to see all the method related to the series, okay?